What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to day 14 of vlogging every single day until I become a veterinarian. Unfortunately, I'm starting off this vlog with unfortunate circumstances. Miley here locked us out of the car, and it was me. So we were out here riding EUC, and we had our keys in our backpack. So we came to go switch to a different trailhead, and I threw the EUCs in the back of the car, the backpack with the keys in it, and then closed the trunk. And the entire car locked, and the keys are on the inside. So now we're having to wait 29 minutes for a freaking locksmith to come get us into our car and probably charge me like $100 because it's usually really expensive, and especially because he's coming from 30 minutes away. So it's not a fun time, but we're still gonna be riding the UC, baby. All right, me and Miley are riding off the painful $248 locksmith bill, which was just freaking insane, man. It's insane. Thankfully, I got insurance through Geico, and they comp $100 of it. But holy cow, guys. So we're just out here riding away the pain. Carve, my carve. You got it. You got it. You're doing good. Woo! She's getting more and more comfortable. Holy shit. Woo! Alright, we back home now. Just watching a little TV. A little quick outro, baby. See y'all tomorrow for day 14 of vlogging every day until I become a veterinarian. Hey!